I am after some philosophical statement about the importance of nature in our lives, and also the loss of nature in children's life. Nature has more great qualities. Nature is essential to our health and well-being. Imagine the world without nature, without the clouds, seasons, the snow, the green grass, and of course the beautiful flowers. Would people just go? I don't know, but I will find out. As I can see that some people don't take nature very seriously. I can see by the way they treat flowers. But what I can say, some people just don't care. They don't even know what this green grass, snows, and these beautiful flowers are made for. But I will try and change that, even if I don't change the whole world or the whole country. But at least I can change 2 or 3 people.
For lithops, they look like stones, but they're actual plants. They like arid, dry conditions. And the more they are dry, the more they stay small and compact and look like a stone.
These are plants?
These are plants, yeah.
This is from me, Nasiphi Nkwinti. Peace out.